Common problems with single-point locks on casement windows. 1. The handle won't turn fully, usually caused by dirt or corrosion inside the lock mechanism, or a misaligned latch hitting the strike plate. 2. The window doesn't seal tightly. The lock tongue isn't engaging deep enough, leaving a gap. 3. The handle feels loose or wobbly. Screws holding the handle or the lock body have come loose over time. How to fix them? Clean and lubricate. Use a dry lubricant inside the lock mechanism. Avoid oil. It attracts dust and gums up. Adjust the strike plate. Loosen the screws on the strike plate and move it slightly inward or outward so the lock tongue catches properly. Tighten screws afterward. Check alignment. If the window sash has sagged, the lock tongue may miss the strike plate entirely. Tighten the hinge screws or add shims under the hinges to realign the sash. Tighten loose handles. Remove the handle cover. Tighten the mounting screws and replace the cover. Replace a worn lock if the mechanism is broken or too corroded. Buy a replacement single-point lock. Swap it out using the same screw holes. Tip: test the lock action before closing the window. Operate the handle and watch if the tongue moves smoothly in and